should not underestimate the Congress party. I think I remember during the exit of Basnyu Bhalang Dahar, along with me, I think you remember during that time, I ran away from Congress, I contest from PDF, Bob Preston, and many other very senior Congress party workers. But still, we win 20 plus. So now minus Dr. Mukul and minus other senior political party leader of the party, I think we have no problem. It is up to us how we strategize during this election, because we have a very good support in the grassroots with a very strong organization. So when we have a good aspirant, good quality candidate, then we have no problem to win. At the same time, as of now, the people, they are very clear. They are not happy with the performance of the MDA government in many issues. So I will not say on a very specific issue, but people knows better. So I think people of the state, they want to see the alternative government. Alternative means Congress should be at least give a good support from the peoples so that we can form the alternative governments. Kalau nggak diisi kan kata sibun, kajing ni mi iba George, jong iba Charles Pongro, Dr. Mukul, ti along mo kajing kersan jong ini lah saya dah kimi no saya kini kan kata ika parti, tende ngamut ban ong pat de ba ke parti kan nom don su kajing kermen nak minta ban job bon number hakan ika election. Namang iduk saya fi la iya ka NPP haka 2013 kidon tang armut ki embelis. Minta kidon kumba 20 plus. Dina kaliang jong irung hum dadan program nama Congress party kalau dilpa ke party ke ba long well organized hapo ki ha pai ba. Ti ko barong mentang apa ngatai pitip ha. Kinong ile jong i baroni nang tina po melim himnong ino mabong bahi is good fight. Even try bahek bangar is a good fight. Yimong manu ban job manu ban rem. Dinang ta ba SDR lang do nang tin good fight. Tapi yang ba Charles Mangan nang tin very good fight. Di Congress party kan don higi kandidat ki babyang tengin nom laban ong ba kan dua way ga ibon ki kandidat ki yugi kata kam laban long tapi ong ka Congress kan ma ban yobun sit ya mara ka jingi junga ki party ki ban khamdon ki MLA sa kan ka next election no doubt ka NPP pm ga UDP who else par Congress sit ka tiam sit hang ne kasi jentia kan nomrung dia kalau pamana garils ka ada sel high south sunset kan si det. Nah, kapoponi ketika UDP, Kongres, NPP, simple.